In this video from Device Doctor, we are diving into a common HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M477, error 59.70. Stay with us to see what causes it and how to fix it quickly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, turn off the printer and wait until it is completely powered down. Then unplug the power cable. Next, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to fully discharge any remaining electricity from the printer. As you can see, there are a few pieces of paper stuck in the paper path, which caused the problem. Remove the stuck paper and then turn the printer back on. Make sure to carefully check the paper path to see that no small or large pieces are left behind. This error can appear for different reasons. In some cases, it is caused by a paper jam. In other cases, it may be related to an internal motor or hardware issue. That is why it is important to check the paper path first. Now I will run a test print, and as you can see, the printer is working properly without any errors. I hope your problem was solved just as easily. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video from Device Doctor.